Hey y'all, so this is a maiden voyage with a brand new GoPro Hero 12. So let me know what y'all think about it. I just got it in last night, so I was all excited to go out and make a little video with it. This is probably going to be our last day of pumpkin harvest, so I figured I would check out this new time warp feature on this thing and see how well, I guess since the wind has just kicked up, we're going to find out how much it deadens wind noise. But we're also going to try out the time warp, time lapse, and the 5.3K maybe. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to get loaded up and go to the pumpkin field. We've been getting after it pretty hard around here. It's been a wide open September. We're just now getting into October. Lose track of time after doing this for so many days and nights. But we're about to wrap things up. Fixing to go to the field, but thought I'd show you what we got here. Part of our butternut is out here. We don't grow near as much as we used to back in the full-fledged wholesale days. Getting down to the nitty-gritty on our jacks. We're just kind of cleaning the field. You'll see here in a minute. We do have a few more minis to be picked up out of the field in addition to these. Got at least one of these sold. Still got some heirlooms left for sale. They're getting picked through by retail customers up here, but that's all right. We go through them. And the guys are washing up some butternut for a customer. You dropped the broom in there? Well, that's not ideal. And we're getting ready to go to the field for another load. Just about wraps up pumpkin harvest for us for 2023. Unfortunately, here in the, well, I guess you can look at it one of two ways. I like selling out. I guess it don't matter when you sell out, but it does kind of stink when you could have sold a whole lot more and you run out early. But it is what it is. I'm glad to be wrapping things up, and the best news is we've got just about everything out here other than a few bins of heirlooms have got somebody's name on them. So if we can sell 150 mums or so, we'll be ready to wrap this thing up for the year. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think of the quality of this new video camera, and I'll see y'all next time.